Have you ever thought of an AI or any search engine that could possibly replace Google? Stay tuned, cause this question will be answered in this video. I will be back after this short intro. Welcome back to Webster, a show where we discuss everything programming. My name is Michelle, and for today's video, I will be talking about Chat GPT, a newly released AI that is taking over the world of tech. First, what is Chat GPT? Talks of OpenAI's Chat GPT have been bustling around in the internet in recent days after Sam Altman dropped an artificial intelligence chatbot on November 30th, 2020. Chat GPT is going viral for its question and answer tool, which allows the public to ask questions for an appropriate and detailed response from the machine learning artificial intelligence trained bot. The dialogue format allows for follow-up questions, and most lifelike of all, it admits mistakes and rejects inappropriate requests. Aaron Levy tweeted on his Twitter handle that, and I quote, "ChatGPT is one of those rare moments in technology where you see a glimmer of how everything is going to be different going forward." Come along as I explore the playground of ChatGPT. Welcome to the playground of ChatGPT. Remember we said earlier that ChatGPT is going viral for its question and answer tool. What do I mean by that? I have a couple of questions here and I would like to ask this trained robot, and let's see its response. The first question I have here is, how do you create a hamburger in JavaScript? Let's see its response. Here you can see that it's not only replying to my question, but it's also showing me the steps I can use to carry out or process that code. And that's it, the reply I just got. Let's try another question. Here, you can see the reply I got from the robot. Remember that we said that it has the ability to also reject inappropriate questions. Let's go further. Let's try one more search, and this will be writing an introductory note to our neighbor. Wow, isn't this awesome? I mean, this AI can accomplish a lot of tasks. Let's make this note more formal. Man, this must be a joke. You know what you can do now? Go ahead, create an account and explore more. There are many more questions you can ask this robot. Now, you may ask, is ChatGPT a search engine? No. ChatGPT is an artificial intelligence trained chatbot that can take directions and accomplish tasks such as writing essays. So, do you think that Chat GPT can actually replace Google? Well, it's hard to tell. Google Search has its own advantages, specifically the amount of data they have and the broader resources they have to collect data. Yet, ChatGPT has a superpower, that is, creating human-level bilateral communication, which is exceeding Google's search limitations in capturing humans' intelligence. What do you think? Will ChatGPT actually replace Google? Let me know your thoughts in the comment section. Thanks for watching. If you have found value from this video, then do well to subscribe, like, and share this video to both your friends and your enemies. Well, adios.